Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about Shuttle new DN11 series high performance AI PC for demanding applications. So friends, Shuttle has announced new Shuttle DN11 series featuring the DN11H5, DN11H7 and DN11H9, and this AI powered high performance barebone PC are designed to meet the need for modern business, industrial and creative applications. So friends, this series is powered by Intel Core Ultra processor, offering a significant performance boost with their hybrid core architecture. Intel R graphics and dedicated NPU means neural processing unit for AI acceleration, and this system provides up to 34 TOPS of AI performance, making them ideal for machine learning, data analysis, multimedia processing, and industrial automation. So, friend, the efficient AI PC with solid performance for standard computing tasks in AI application, the DN11H7 delivered enhanced multi-core performance, making it well suited for professional workload, and the DN11H9 with the higher base TDP and superior power range is ideal for users requiring maximum AI processing and graphic performance, and the DN11H series stand out with quad 2.5 gigabit LAN port, allowing seamless integration into high-speed network, firewall setup, and virtualized environment. And it also support up to 4 USB display via 2 HDMI 2.1, 2 DisplayPort 1.4, and crystal clear visual for data visualization, surveillance, and content creation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.